After cutting it out, pop it in the dispenser, and your boring roll of tape is now way more fun and totally room decor worthy. DIY number 2 is an easy way to dress up a plain, boring pen. I'm using about 8 feet of yarn and tying one end to the bottom of the pen. Leave about an inch or two hanging off like you see here, then create a loop/U shape with the string. Put that over the pen and bring it through the loop from behind. If anything sounds confusing, just watch what I'm doing on screen. Pull tight each time and make sure to cover the little tail with every knot as well. Keep doing the same loopy knot over and over until the pen is nearly covered. Remember to form the loop on the same side each time and pull the entire bundle of string through. Now I'm stringing on a bead. Just wrap and knot the yarn however you want until it's secure. You can also use a dab of nail polish or glue to help it stay tied after cutting off the excess. Now you have a really pretty pen that you can keep in your pencil pouch or your home office. Third is a perler bead headphone/cord organizer. I know this technically isn't a school supply, but if you ride the bus or you have to stay after, it's a good idea to have earbuds so you can listen to music. You'll need some of these iron beads and a circular pegboard, which you can get from any craft store, Walmart, and the Perler Bead website. You're going to place the beads on the pegboard one at a time until your pattern is complete. Just pause the screen here and copy exactly what you see, and you can have the same watermelon design, or you can do a cookie, or whatever you want. Once you have your design, place a piece of ironing paper on top and turn your iron on medium, which is the cotton setting for me. Iron it evenly and in a circular motion until the beads have melted together just a little bit. Carefully remove the paper once the design cools, then flip it over and iron the other side. You don't want to iron them too much or they will be super flat and it won't look as good. You'll need 2 large circles for this organizer and 2 smaller ones to put inside. Repeat the ironing process for these other 3 pieces as well. Just make sure that you iron both sides every time. Finally, you're going to glue the pieces together like so and place something heavy on top while it dries. After just a few hours, you can use this creation to keep your headphones neat and tidy. If you like perler beads but you don't need a cord organizer, you can use them to create locker magnets instead. I actually have a video on how to make these Pac-Man magnets, so I'll put the link in the description for you. The final project is a lipstick USB. Start with an empty lipstick tube or just remove the lipstick from a newer one / one you don't really use. You can melt this and pour it into a different container so you don't waste any. Go ahead and do whatever you need to do to clean out the tube as best as you can. You can use tissue, paper towel, water, soap, anything that you want. Toothpicks are very helpful. Once it is pretty clean, you're going to use super strong glue to secure a flash drive inside. A very tiny flash drive, so you're going to have to find a small one. Let the glue dry completely and it is totally ready to use. You can plug it into your laptop, computer, take it with you to school to transfer papers if you need to print something off. Trust me, it is very helpful to have a flash drive with you at school, and this one is so rad. Just don't accidentally put it in your makeup bag. That would be a bummer. If you recreate any of these DIYs, use the hashtag SoCraftastic to show me a photo on Instagram or Crafty